Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. Nothing too exciting tonight. I'm just doing some more soldering for the television right now. I realized I didn't get some of my harnesses done, so here I am, doing some more soldering. Uh, exciting to... I did take some advice. I left the comments about the really terrible positioning of my CRT I was using for testing, so hopefully I'll make you all sick here. Ugh. Oh, why is this cord always so short? Okay. And it's still short. Here's my ceiling fan. So what I did end up doing is now all of my oh, why is this so tangled? There we go. So now this is my tower of retro stuff. So I have my Master System 2, my Genesis 2, and then there's the 8-switch AB with a splitter. There's my CRT with nice good old-fashioned Altec Lansing speakers attached in all their beige glory. And then I have an Atari shelf with a 7800, 7800 plus, and my 5200. And if I can get in there, this cord wasn't too short. And you have that's the Intellivision 2 on the left, and the Sprint on the right, and then the VCR is underneath it. So I do have it set up so that it's all set up so we can switch between all the systems there, plus my RetroPie system I have over yonder. Let's see. So yeah, I got that all set up nice. I found these nice little shelves here that lets me split up. I can get twice as much stuff on there. So I got my Sega stuff here, and then the splitter, Atari, and then the Intellivision. So yeah, it actually turned out really nice. And not really, it was never planned out. I was telling my wife, it's like, I didn't really plan this out to be a neat retro setup there, but it ended up being that. Complete with the whole CRT-ness. There we go. Get my archery shirt on today. But yeah, that's my setup now. So when I go to turn, I can just turn my body, have my hands over here without killing my neck quite so bad. I can scooch myself over a little bit too. I'll probably end up doing that to make it a little easier, but much easier setup. I still have the LCD monitor, but I found a nice one. I don't know when I bought it. It was a nice analog capture card, so I have a really nice clean signal coming in off the capture card. So that looks nice. That's not a camera. That's a capture card. So that's good. Pure analog to USB. So all I'm working on tonight is just more stuff for the Intellivision. So not the most exciting stuff to watch, but I wanted to show off my new little setup over there. So it's a nice kind of like semi-legit looking stack now. So I'm happy with it. Never planned it out like this, but it turned out really well. I don't know if I need any other... Well, I'm not really a Nintendo guy, so I don't really do anything else. Since my 7800 will take care of my 2600 games. I need to fix it. And then 7800 Plus is a good little system, and that'll do all the 7800 games, of course. And 2600 games for that matter. And then 5200 I've had for a long time, so that covers all the original 8-bit stuff for the Atari, except for the maybe we'll get a little XE one these days. We'll see. And television. Oh yeah, I do have original television. I'll probably end up putting down there. So I need to come out. I have a system. I just need to make an adapter for that controller. And on the Sega side, that's about it for just the Master System and the Genesis is all I would work on, because they have controllers like Dreamcast and all those other ones. So there's no real point to making arcade controllers for that. But yeah, that's about it. I'm just gonna get back to soldering in a second, and I'm gonna wire up another one of these, the right-handed version of the True 16 I've got over there, and yeah, that should be fun. All right, everyone. It's gonna be a short one tonight. I don't feel like talking and solder at the same time. It's a little boring, and you forget to do things. I'm just gonna watch some more of that Chernobyl show I had on HBO a few years back. I just wanted to rewatch it. So, yeah, everyone, thank you for watching, and have a great night.